with coach Mandan Nukazi and Rayan Jacobs, who's also on the technical staff, and it would seem that Mbata and Mbule are going to be coming on here at the start of the second half. We'll get confirmation of those changes for you in a moment or so, but Mariko looks to be the one man who will drop out. It looks as if Sihle Ndule as well will be taken off at the break. We'll confirm that for you in a moment or two. Final instructions from Coach Wadu for Mbata and Mbule. These two both included in the Bafana preliminary squad, by the way, for those World Cup qualifiers.
Discussions going there. Mbule is saying, are we going to sit between me and myself and Mbata? Are we going to sit there? And so the coach says yes. So Mbata says, at least when you got the chance, you can move a little bit forward. Me, I stay.
I'll cover you.
Yeah.
Well, Mbule's got the career with coach Mandan Nukazi and Rayan Jacobs, who's also on the technical staff, and it would seem that Mbata and Mbule are going to be coming on here at the start of the second half. We'll get confirmation of those changes for you in a moment or so, but Mariko looks to be the one man who will drop out. It looks as if Sihle Ndule as well will be taken off at the break. We'll confirm that for you in a moment or two. Final instructions from Coach Wadu for Mbata and Mbule. These two both included in the Bafana preliminary squad, by the way, for those World Cup qualifiers.
Discussions going there. Mbule is saying, are we going to sit between me and myself and Mbata? Are we going to sit there? And so the coach says yes. So Mbata says, at least when you got the chance, you can move a little bit forward. Me, I stay.
I'll cover you.
Yeah.
Well, Mbule's got the career. So Ndaba gets his first run out in Buccaneer colours amongst the half dozen, or I should say dozen signings that they made at the beginning of the season. Very
for Orbit, they're a little bit quicker. They get into it.
On Saturday, the NTN 8 semi-final second leg. And Orbit College 5 changes from their last outing, which was a week ago against Sekhukhune United in the Betway Premiership. No foul from Mbule is his first contribution tonight in the Betway Premiership, and yet to concede. Maswanganyi. Now Mbata. Mbule. Now Maswanganyi. Some of his creativity here in the second half.
Taking the
David as well. Great surfaces all the time, and you've got to really be fit to compete. They're very physical as well, perhaps not as much classic talent and skills in that league, so it's all about
strength.
Yes, strength, lung-busting performances. Abele plays it back here, chance! Blocked by Mukazi, back in again. It was Ramosala who got the shot in, still bouncing around in that penalty area. Clearance in the end from Mbule. Jingana plays it back. Here's Apollos and Mbule. Now Maswanganyi with a bit of space ahead of him. No advantage, or no foul, I should say, on Mbule. Maswanganyi back. Modi Moeng is the player who... More space out on the flanks for Mamelodi Sundowns. Shandu coming inside. Mbule, still Mbule. I said it was in Ndaba, it was Sibele Bele. Now Mbule. Maswanganyi. Shandu. Mbule's got a bit of space. He's going for goal as well. Strikes it just wide. Now there's a bit of an appetite here from the Buccaneers.
The one thing that for me has been missing is the arrival of players into those positions where they can take strike. Pirates dominate for all the games that they've played. They've dominated with ball position, they've dominated the edges, but not close enough to be afforded this kind of strike. That for me
Challenge at the back by Mbokazi.
As he always does.
The striker, Malatsi, just bounced off him. Mbule, number 12 in a metaphorical sense. Not tonight, his jersey number, that is 27. And a combination from the Buccaneers with Sibele, Ndaba, Mbule. Circulating it nicely now, 20 minutes to go here. Mbule clears it away. Masanganyi gets now to Ndaba. Rises above Lukele, wins that aerial challenge. It's good to set a marker with a new player who's come on, especially didn't win that appeal. Now Muremi curling it. Kabela with a clearing header. Muremi again. Mbule. Streaming all of the matches can be seen. You can follow your favorite team at all times.
That if Makeni is not there or any defensive midfielder, Nduli was holding that position in the first half, and now there's no out and out.
Still battling away, looking for an equalizer. They've got time as well. Good challenge. Mbule just steals that away. Well-disciplined side, it would seem. You've been impressed, obviously. I mean, in the second half, you've seen the quality of Orlando Pirates, and they are deserved of this lead. But Auburn College, no walkovers.
But lacking in quality, clearly that is the difference. But if you talk about effort and the heart that they were able to put in.
Finds Mbata. Mbule, back to Mbata, putting on a little bit of a show here for the fans.
He's a star.
There was a chance to get it wide to Makopa. Maswangangi is going to leave this for Shandu. He's been full of work tonight, the right back. Dino van Rooyen still injured, by the way, and there's a bit of competition for that position. Now Mbata, he likes a shot from range. Puts that one just wide.
Beautiful football all around. Great passing combinations, not in a rush to get it forward, but looking to recycle the ball, creating the right spaces to be able to take that shot.
Never really going to test the keeper when it's that pitch side. There'll be 3 minutes to be added on. So it's about 4.5 to go before Mr. Quinder's final whistle. The tension and drama and how energy sapping the MTN8 encounter with Mamelodi Sundowns would have been. And then you're basically back in action just 3 days later. Sunday to recover, Monday to prepare, and here they are playing again.
I want us to go from the first game. Look at the stats. This is what will tell you that.
Back to the keeper. Kabela, who came on at right back for Seklodi. Into stoppage time.